doing a Arca Series here with a new video style. For special day, we have Nascar 25 racing. So this is going to be my first of many videos. I'm planning to do one of each series. So I'm going to start with Arca, truck, Xfinity Cup, and then go from there. I'll probably post a lot of shorts and all that. But I just want to give you test runs, get you to look at the graphics, crash physics, if they have crashes, and just honestly enjoy it. But I'm going to shut up for a lot of this, just so that y'all hear the action. But you can see all the menus and all our different options of blurriness. So I'm going to go to quick, and then here's your settings, see all that, customize. I'm going to do a quick race in Arca Menards Series. So I'm going to shut up while it scrolls through all the drivers, and I will catch up to you once we get to the track. Okay, now that we've gone through all the drivers, you know how I'm thinking. Please! The far one. So here are all the tracks that are in the Arca. We have Bristol, Charlotte, Daytona, Dover. We have Iowa, Kansas, Lime Rock Park, that's going to be a fun one. Lusoil IRP, Martinsville, Michigan, North Wilkesboro, Phoenix, Richmond, Rockingham, Talladega, and Watkins Glen. I think I'm going to do IRP. Yeah, I'm going to do IRP. Okay, well, I'm going to shut up and let y'all enjoy qualifying and the race.
The cars are out on the track practicing for this weekend's race.
Pull them belts tight and let's get out there.
As the session comes to a close, qualifying is underway as we look to see who will sit on the pole for this weekend's race.
All right, let's make some changes. The car's in your hands now. Give us something special. This is the one that counts. pushing here. Top 10 right there. Don't worry, we can work with that on race day.
Let's take a look at the results of this session. Let's go trackside now. For the command to start this Arca Menards Series race. Drivers, start your engine!
Get her started now, time to go. Be ready now. There's the green flag. Inside door. Clear low if you want it. Outside door. Clear outside. Car inside. Clear low if you want it. You're all clear. Ten to go this time. Car high. Clear high. Car outside. 3 wide. Clear outside. 1 outside. 3 wide. Stay low. Stay low. Clear high. Amazing lap, driver. Outside now. Stay low. 1 outside. Stay low. You're all clear. 1 outside. Five to go. Clear high if you want it. Outside door. Stay low. Clear outside. Outside door. Clear outside. Car outside. Clear, clear. Clear up top. Inside now. Clear low. Car high. Clear up top. Outside door. Clear high if you want it. go this time. One outside. Clear, all clear. One outside. Clear high if you want it. One more, driver, let's go. Clear low. Car low. Clear inside. Great job, that's the top 5.
As the session comes to a close, let's take a look at the results.
Okay, that was exciting. I gotta say, I'd say probably about half the race I was turning right in the turns. Oh, that was a tough race. It was a fun race. I love the Arca cars. I feel like they're great to drive. They're hard, but they're controllable. Man, I wish the watch did not take away my line with Tudio. Oh no, it was a really great race. Trucks are up next. So, I guess I'll see you then. Goodbye.